Here we go. It's a big shark or something, isn't it?
Oh, it's a shark. Yeah, it's a shark. Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a big
That's
shark.
a big shark. Holy piss, that's a big shark. I think it's a bull.
It's heating up, boys and girls.
Yeah, man. Not today, Satan. They know you get a big shark, Liam.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't gotten to see it.
Hang on, Ben.
All right, Pop.
We're gonna touch your boat here.
You ready, Cam?
What are you going to do with it?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Hold on, let me see it.
That's a beautiful bull.
For a second.
Alright. He's a little green. A little green.
Wow. Yeah, we're going to have to cut
I
him.
touched Braid though.
No, no.
We need to touch the. We probably have to cut the.
It's tired. It's tired.
Be careful, Bram, please. Yeah, he's tired.
He's tired.
We don't need to bring him in.
He is. Oh, look at the Goliath.
He's got to get
No,
closer.
the Goliath's right down on the bottom.
Look at him. Oh, two of them. There's two of them.
2 Goliaths.
Just get this guy off the line.
Mom, why are
He's
you holding on
fixing
to
to eat
me?
Because
I'm
I want
holding
you
on
to
to the
fall,
thing.
Bram. Come on this side. Don't tip
No,
the
look,
boat
look.
that
I'm holding on.
Anybody getting filming this?
I got the whole thing,
Can
Dad.
you see the
way. Holy
Goliath in
crap. How big is that freaking shark?
Oh no, but the
All right,
Goliath's
guys,
like,
there's a big
About 7
Goliath.
feet from
How are you
tip
going
to
to get
tip.
that off, Ben?
the Goliath's a lot bigger.
Bring it close
I
and
have
snip.
the gaff. We have the gaff, Cam. Right in here.
Right there.
Just gaff him somewhere, Cam. Just
Where's the
gaff
gaff?
him where it won't hurt him, Cam.
Where's the gaff?
Right here. Cam, grab the gaff.
We don't
I
have
got it. I
pliers.
got it.
Pliers.
We have brands, but
I don't want a gaff.
first thing I'll do.
I don't know where to gaff him that won't hurt.
In the mouth,
Try to get his.
Too many of
No,
y'all
because then
are
we'd have to get the gaff out.
tail. Hold on.
Not cutting it.
Hold on.
Nope.
Okay.
The guy, some dude bought me bolt cutters for my birthday that were like 5 feet long and they're at the shop.
We had other bolt
You're not boating him, right?
No.
Okay, because he's way too big.
We just need to
Oh God, here's a Goliath. He's fixing to get him.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Dude, you
Oh
can't use
shit.
something bigger than you.
Stop leaning
He's trying.
so far.
He's thinking about it.
Brandon, come lean over.
I'm-
this side.
I'm out. It's all right, Mom.
He's trying to film.
We're gonna have to snip the cable.
All right, where, Dad?
We're gonna have to snip the cable.
I don't want to hurt him.
It'll come out. If we snip the cable,
All right,
that'll
right
come
here. Right here.
Out. We're gonna
No.
have to get the gaff out if
No,
we
watch
put
this
the
eye.
gaff in. If we gaff them,
Grab the leader, Cam.
No, it's going to hurt your hand.
If we gaff them, we gotta get the gaff out.
Well, the gaff, the bow cat, that's not barbed.
Here, can you get it in the loop of the?
I ain't gonna help it.
Yeah, it can if we can jiggle that joker out there.
Here, Dad. Let me do this.
I want to
You
just try
got
to
your
get him
pole.
underneath his tail.
All right, you want me to lift up his tail?
Hang on a second. If I lift his tail up, I'm gonna